Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If your Windows 10 or 11 search bar not working, don't worry about it. I will give you some solution to fix this problem. But this video doesn't give a permanent solution. Let's start the solution. First open your run command by pressing Windows plus R button and type c:/Windows/System32 and press enter. Now search here ctfmon.file. Right click on it and create a shortcut on the desktop. Now again you run command by pressing Windows plus R button and type /command and startup and press enter. Now here paste the ctmon.exe file and check your problem. I'm sure your problem will be fixed. If the error is persists, then go to your PC setting, click on the Windows update, check for update. If any updates are available, then update it first and check error. After that problem is not fixed, then try next. Sometimes the search index itself can become corrupted. You can rebuild it by going the index options and go to advanced and rebuild it. Press on OK. I hope this video is helpful for you and solves your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.